As a product leader, I want to make this more tailored about the underlying growth data. Like what products are driving that growth? What's our average selling price or average ARR, or what product lines are we expanding, et cetera? So let's go ahead and start layering that in. And if we look at this next example, right, I'm saying, hey, I like where this is going, but let's include an ARR by product line, right? Because as a product leader, one of the things that you're constantly looking at is what products are getting adoption in terms of ARR, how many customers are subscribing to it. And then I'm also saying, hey, in November, we launched two new products, right? So in this demo, Weber and Co., right in November, we launched two usage-based product lines. Those are net new products. So let's go ahead and pull in that data. And if we take a look back inside of Maxio, what's going on, this is that same ending ARR report from January 22 all the way through 26, but this time it's segmented with drill down details where I can see by item or product family here what the ending ARR is. So this is, if you're not familiar with our subscription momentum report, an insanely powerful report. You can build subtotals. You could actually have these drill down even further and have the customer count. But since this is already a pretty large data set as is with the number of cells and rows, I don't necessarily want to pull in the thousands of customers that are available that you could build to drill into. Again, the reason for that is I want to rely on Maxio to pre-calculate, pre-aggregate that so that the amount of data that's getting pulled into Claude in this case minimizes the total token reach, right? And so all I did, just if you missed it, is I'm just giving it the URL here, right? So inside of Claude, if I come back to this, right, I just gave it the actual report run. And there are two tools, like you can actually come in and click in and see what it's doing. Because I gave it a log file, it's using that existing run. And that's really a part of the magic of the MCP. There are other tools that are part of the Maxio MCP that if you just gave it the report ID, it would actually go out, call the report, run the report, and return the results, which is just really cool. In this case, I want to speed it up. So I'm giving it a run that's already been there. And now it pulled in the data quite quickly. It's going through and actually spending most of the time generating the HTML and the visuals that we're going to see and add to this. So what's great is now I'm starting to see it build out. It's given me the ARR by product line. So the data, as you saw inside of Maxio, was the bronze, gold, platinum subscription. These are the two new products that we rolled out in November, API calls and storage in this demo data. And it's starting to build out my interactive dashboard down here as well.